Hey there, Alana here from teachtraffic.com, and if you are running a retargeting campaign on Google, then listen up because this video might just save you a lot of money. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm in an account of a student of mine at teachtraffic.com, and this person asked me if I can have a look at their retargeting campaign because it's kind of not working very well. So I went into this account and it became obvious to me what was going on, which was the mistake. So to give you context, this particular business is a local real estate agent. Okay, so it's a very local type business, and therefore they don't get a lot of traffic to their website, which is fine. They don't need a lot of traffic. Okay, but that means that therefore their retargeting campaign is unlikely to get a lot of impressions and traffic because not many people are going to this person's website, right? They don't get much traffic. So when I went into their account and I looked at the last 7 days, I could see that their retargeting campaign had 58,000 impressions. So 58,000 impressions in the last 7 days. To me, that is somewhat suspicious, okay? So I know exactly the mistake they've done. Basically, Google have changed a setting automatically in the back end of their campaign, which has resulted in their ads not only showing ads to their retargeting audience, but going out wider to cold audiences, which is not what they want. They want to only show ads to their retargeting audience and not go out to cold traffic at all. So we need to change this setting manually to rein Google in and say, no, Google, I only want to show ads to my retargeting list and not go out further. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'm in the account, and what we got to do is we have to change the targeting of our retargeting campaign, because that's basically what they've done. They've changed the targeting. So we go into our retargeting campaign, and I just pick one of the ad groups. I will have to do this for every single ad group, but let's just pick one of them. And let's say I go to audiences, and I'm going to edit my ad group targeting. And here is the problem. They have automatically set my targeting expansion to here to get more added reach. So they're telling me I can reach 20,000 more impressions than if I toggle this to be off. So what I want to do is I want to do this to off to make sure that my ads are only showing to my retargeting audiences that I want. Okay, so have a look in your retargeting campaign for each of your ad groups and see if this targeting setting expansion has been slid along here, and therefore you have your retargeting ads going to cold audience as well. And then you click save, and there you have it. So there you have it. Have a look in your account if you've fallen for this little sneaky setting by Google. I hope you haven't. And if you want more help and training and videos like this, you can check out teachtraffic.com, and I'd love to help you also get awesome results from your ads. Thanks.